Look at this crap. Something ran in my truck.
Something ran into your truck?
Yeah, some red paint or something. Somebody red hit it.
Who's got a red vehicle?
I don't know. That's weird. Sometimes you just got to go ahead and get some of these logs sawed up because they're in the way. I'm trying to move tractors through here and delivering wood. This log right here has a huge curve in it right here. I really wanted to get all of it in there, but what's gonna happen is I'm gonna have a lot of drop over here. So kind of come to a conclusion where I'm gonna cut it right here, cut that off and just saw it up as two separate pieces. I'll be able to kind of utilize more of the log than not. And FYI, this is that paint that was on the side of my daggone truck. I guess I hit it when I was backing out the other day, which made me think I need to go ahead and get these logs sawed up. And I'm always running over with my truck. So it's saw time, it's sawmill day. That is amazing.
Isn't that beautiful?
Just a rich and a depth about it.
Yeah. I can't get over how much just talks to me, you know?
That is insane.
So pretty.
That is beautiful.
Yeah. Did they get her buttoned up for him?
Cool, man. I mean, sometimes too much vibration can be a bad thing. Belt especially. I think it's slipping.
Yeah. It's good. You just gotta go slow with it.
Chops. Yeah. This thing right here, I got that thing on the back of the tractor. I could just scrape all that. Whoa! That's another customer's drum. I love it. Thank you guys.